Okay, here we have the Adventure-Built Fedora Crystal Skull. I'm not a professional videographer, so please forgive me. Okay, this one here is the Akubra Fed 4. Both hats are pretty similar. I think the biggest difference is the shape of the crown is a little different. The Fed seems to be a little wider. Of course, that could be because I got it 2 sizes too big. But as you can see, side by side, they're both pretty good looking hats. Look under the Adventure-Built. And under the Fed. Open the tops here. The ribbon. That's the Fed. Here's the Adventure-Built. I haven't brushed either one of them. Need to buy a brush. I've got my Fed pretty loose, as you can see. I have it pretty loose. I haven't done the same to the Adventure-Built yet, so it's a little stiffer. It's not bad. And that's the Fed. There you go. Hope you enjoy.